So hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a you versus them current energy check-in. There is like no timeline because it's just current energy check-in. The roles can be reversed also, and it might or might not resonate as it's general. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for the same. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. Okay, honey, Libra, what's wrong? Let's do it. On your side, let's see what we have. We have the Ten of Swords, the Two of Wands, the Tower. You're done with something. It's like you're telling me, I'm done, Anjali. I don't want to wait anymore. The disaster have happened. It's like it's over, it's gone, it's done. I'm not even waiting for something or some kind of closure or something or someone to show up or these things to improve or anything like that. So you are telling me it's done, it's over, it's gone. Even if I'm feeling defeated, even if I'm feeling like this is painful, but it's gone. Okay, there's a clear cut sense of it's gone, it's done. Okay, I don't know how to read it otherwise. Ten of Swords and Tower, and in between Two of Wands. You're not even waiting for something or someone to show up. You're telling me I'm done and this is done and it's gone. Let's see the energy attached to you. We have the Eight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Okay, they are working on the factor of walking away from the situation, putting in the effort and energy in the things that they love, putting in the efforts and energy and resources in the things and people and situations that they know are good for them, that they know that are going to bring them the peace and the happiness that they're looking forward to have. Meanwhile, practicing a lot of emotional maturity, emotional groundedness. Hmm. See, this whatever is happening is having a totally different effect on both of you. You are kind of shattered. This person is trying to stand up and figure it out. This person is trying their best to do whatever it takes for them to be emotionally stable, emotionally happy, and move forward towards life, people, situations, things that are eventually going to give them the kind of happiness that they're looking forward to have. So they're standing up and walking away, working on it. You are kind of just there as of now, shattered and little bit trembling. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have, Libra. We have the Seven of Cups, the Emperor, and the Three of Swords. Hmm. You are heartbroken, both of you are heartbroken, but both of you are trying to figure out ways to sit in your power and not to do anything about the situation as of now. Especially you, Libra. You are so heartbroken right now and you are trying to figure out ways to distract yourself with the things, people, or situation that are not even helping you with this heartbreak, but you're like, okay, let me just get myself so busy that I don't have to think about whatever just happened or whatever is happening. And it's not healthy, but you're still doing it even if you know it's not healthy. And at the end of the day, what you are left with is exhaustion, pain, and this energy of what should I do in order to not to feel this pain anymore. So for the connection, it's gone, it's done, it's not here anymore. But and both of you are feeling the pain on an individual level, but it's hitting you harder than this person. And instead of facing it properly or healing it properly, you are trying to figure out ways to not to feel the pain, and that's more unhealthy than the way it should. I can't say anything more to you. This is what is happening. Can't lecture you for this thing. You're human and you're doing it Your way. Hmm. For you, the guidance is the Page of Wands. See, at some point of time, you're going to realize that you should stop and actually do something about it instead of, distracting or numbing the pain. And at that point, you will start doing it yourself. But try to like take small steps. Okay, let's say cry if you feel like crying. Let's say don't pretend to be happy when you're not happy. You have every right to be sad. In fact, to be honest with you, the more a person is growing spiritually, the more the universe is going to test them with more and more and more lessons. You can, if you're interested, you can Google about all the people who went through the spiritual journeys. So whenever we go through something painful, it directly means that we should start growing up instead of going down. We keep on walking on this path horizontally when we should start going up vertically. I'm not lecturing you on spirituality here. What I'm trying to say here, Libra, is just start taking baby steps towards your healing instead of numbing it or avoiding it, the pain. Otherwise, it's going to be too much for you to handle. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.